Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the AirPods and case have some charge. Dead batteries block pairing. On your Android, open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth, turning it on and staying on that screen. With the AirPods lid open, press and hold the round setup button on the back until the status light flashes white. This forces Discovery mode, which is how Android finds Apple accessories even without iCloud integration. Once the AirPods are discoverable, scan the visible devices list on your Android and tap the AirPods entry. That initiates the handshake. The phone exchanges a quick authentication packet, so accept any pairing prompt or confirm the shown code if asked. After the phone shows connected, audio routes to the AirPods. Make sure media volume is up. If you plan to use both earbuds, check stereo output in a music app. You should finish by testing music and a quick call to confirm mic and stereo audio. Android sometimes defaults to headset mode, so switch profiles if sound is thin. For future use, reopen the case near your phone and choose AirPods from paired devices to reconnect quickly. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED shows amber, then white. This clears previous pairings and forces a fresh, reliable connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.